Hello everyone, today's topic is about Cisco Switch Basic Configuration practically on real Cisco device. I will cover Cisco different CLI modes like user, privilege and global. Then I will show you how to set console password on Cisco Switch. The third one, I will show you how to configure enable secret password. And last one, I will show you how to configure banner and message of the day configuration. Let's move to the lab. Here you can see this is our device. On left side there is USB port for upgrade and file copy. This is console port for configuration. Now here these are 6 PoE ports. We can connect any PoE device with these RJ45 ports. Now the ports 7 and 8 are non-PoE port. On right side there are 2 SFP plus fiber ports for uplink connections. Our switch model is 3560-CX. But the same CLI commands will use on different Cisco switch models. Now let me take my laptop for configuration. Here you can see this is the console cable. Let me connect console cable. Now console cable connected to the switch side on console port. Here you can see it's connected with my laptop. Now let's move to my laptop screen for configuration. I am using MobiXterm terminal software. You can use PuTTY or other software. Just go to the session, serial, just select COM port and click OK. Now here is the Cisco Switch CLI. First let me show you the version. Just write show version command. You can see here this is the Cisco Switch model 3560 and here is the version 15.2 Cisco iOS version. Now in Cisco there are multiple CLI modes. The first one, this is the initial user execution mode just for basic monitoring. Just write enable command to move to the privilege mode. You can see here there is hash, it's privilege mode. We can monitor all configuration here. The next mode is configure terminal configuration mode. Just write configure terminal. You can see here this is global configuration mode. Here we can configure all configuration on Cisco device. Now let me set console password. Just write line console 0 and here password just write admin 81234, enter, and here write login, enter. Now this is the whole configuration for console. Just write do write to save the configuration in Cisco device. Now let me verify it's working or not. Just exit again, just enter. You can see here the password is required for console. For the first time there was no password, but now the password is required. Just put the password. Now write enable again to move to the privilege mode. Configure terminal for configuration mode. Now let me set the secret enable secret password. Just write enable secret and write the password here, a capital admin 812345. Just enter and save the configuration again. Just write do in the start. If you are in the configuration mode, do write. Just verify, exit again. Now you can see here this is the console password. Now just write enable. You can see here now for the privilege mode the password is required. Before there was no password, but now we have set the enable secret password. Just write the password. You can see here now we have login to the privilege mode. Now the next step, I will show you banner display message configuration for unauthorized user. As a legal warning, just go to the configuration mode, configure terminal, and write here banner. Just write banner space MOTD, message of the day. Now here write hash for start of the message. Just enter. Now here you can write the message what you want to write. Just I will put steric line to look at beautiful. Now just put steric, enter. Now here you can write the exact message what you want to show and start of the device. Just I will write authorized user only access, authorized user only access this device. Just I will write this message, this switch. Just enter, put steric line again to look at beautiful. Just put the steric line, and the last need to put hash again. Just write hash here again. This hash symbol is delimiter marks. It uses start and end of the message. Now just save the configuration, write do write. And now let me verify the banner is set. Just exit from here, exit again. Just enter. You can see here the banner display message is showing now. Authorized user only access the switch. That's perfect. This was part 1 for Cisco Switch Basic Configuration. I will continue some other important topics in next video. I will cover the following topics in my next video for the Cisco Switch series, like how to create VLAN on Cisco Switch, how to assign name to the VLAN, and the third one, how to configure VLAN F layer 3 configuration and different switch port modes, access and trunk, and I will show you how to configure DHCP server configuration. Just stay connected for the next video. Thank you. Please support to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.